Hello and welcome, my name is Romney. Now firstly, I must make an apology for this terrible looking moustache. At the moment, I'm participating in what they call Movember in Australia, and that's where it's raising awareness for prostate cancer for men. And so I'm growing my moustache, which is not going too well at the moment, but hopefully it gets better. Anyway, what I wanted to do was to provide you with some free resources that I have been creating over 2022 for those that follow this channel or are subscribers to my newsletter and information that I have, and I just wanted to provide them to you again in advance so that we can get prepared for 2023, which we know is going to be a big year. Now you might be just starting on your Amazon KDP journey, and if you have, you've found this video at the right time because these resources will certainly help you. To date, I've published well over 350 books on Amazon KDP. I've published well over 80 books now on IngramSpark. I've sold in excess of 100,000 copies of books. I'm a best-selling course creator for Amazon KDP on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Thinkific. And so I've got that journey behind me, or I've got the experience through the journey that I've taken to help create these resources that will help you to scale your self-publishing business. So what I want to do is quickly just go over maybe one or two of these free resources, how to find them, and the best thing is you can just use them at your own leisure. And it does again depend on what stage of your publishing you're up to. You might be in your first few weeks and you're wanting to get as much information as you can. You might be a seasonal professional and you might be 3 or 4 years into your Amazon journey. But these resources will certainly help. It might even be for keyword research or niche research or cover design or finding software to help you to discover the next book that you want to create. There are links in these books that will help you. There is information that will provide you with guidance. So just take a look through it or through these resources because I'm sure that they will help. So let me identify and show you some of these resources. Let's get into it right now. The first resource I'm going to quickly show you through is the KDP Resources Guide for Self-Publishers. Now, all of these resources I show you, you'll find the link in the description of this video. So let's quickly flick through this one. We've just got the main heading, then the pros and cons of Amazon and the way it works. We've got free resources and free tools that you can use. How to boost your book sales. So it's my 3 steps to boosting your book sales. And you've got a basic checklist. I've got free software that you can do or you can use. How to bid on an email list. So it's a comprehensive guide about setting up your account and how to go through it all. Then I've also got links to my courses that I've created. So this might be something you want to look at for 2023 or even preempt that and start on courses now so you're ready for next year. So there's information about that, plus my Publishing Accelerator course, which I've been getting some brilliant reviews on, and that's a big course. It's a 55 lesson course or 12 hours worth of lessons and 20 templates plus. You've also got a goal setting template which you can use through the tracker. And this is going to be brilliant for you if you want to set up your goals and what you want to achieve in 2023. So setting up your major accomplishments, improvements and lessons, and there's even a tracker for income and expenses. So that's the first resource that I wanted to show you. Let's go on to the second one. And this one's my 25 tips for self-publishing. So advice for beginners. So this one goes through the self-publishing tips, resources, course and videos, different platforms you can publish on, and further resources and templates. So it's got all my tips. I won't go much into that one. I'll let you download it and check out those 25 tips and all those different further resources and templates that you can download. So that's the second resource. Let me just show you finally my Gumroad store and what you've got available there to download as well. Over the past 18 months, I've been continuing to add different resources to my Gumroad store. You'll find plenty of free resources to download here. So just scroll through, there's 30 products in total, and you can get keyword tracking templates. There's different keywords you can download. There's niche trackers, there's sales revenue trackers, there's a currency converter, there's different blank comic interiors for notebooks and handwriting and half picture. So there's so many things you can do, or you can find on the Gumroad store. So check out that link as well. Download what you want, use it, take advantage of it, and make sure that you look into what different things are available for you at your fingertips, because I've created as much as I can that will help you to scale. So they're 3 of the key resources at the moment, and you can look further into this site on Gumroad to find out all the others. All the best with your publishing for the remainder of 2022, leading into 2023. It's been a big year for me with my publishing, and I'm looking forward to continuing with creating more content for you, creating more resources for you, and being able to help you and support you on your journey. So thank you very much, and I look forward to having you watch this channel and help it grow. So if you have liked this video, then make sure you do give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave a comment if there's things in 2023 that you would like to see, like things improved. All of that information helps me to create the best content that I can for those that watch the channel. So thank you, and wishing you all a fantastic new year. I'll see you in 2023.